I am not going to overthink this and we're just gonna get straight into it. So basically, there's a lot of detail over here. The problem with time blocking was, and then you convert your to-do list into a schedule. You time block everything. I don't know why I don't have words to talk. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, क्या चल रहा है? Take two. Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be my secret diary reveal. Not so secret anymore. Let me tell you first the origin of this book. So randomly, like, I went to Miniso ऐसे ही shopping करते करते because you know cute stuff. तो मेरी नज़र इसके ऊपर पड़ी and then it was like in a very vintage format. I love the cover of it. Like it had this cassette kind of a print with A and B side. I don't know how that impacted me subconsciously. Starting me, I had no idea how am I going to use it, and it was like just there. And I was in that shop with one of my friends, and my friend was like, "You already have so many diaries, you never use them, this and that." So that was also a burden on my subconscious कि भाई मैं तो use ही नहीं करती हूँ, मैं क्यों ले रही हूँ करके. Then I started using it as my to-do list journal or a holder. This is when I started using the book on 24th April 2022, and the first thing that I've written here is revert money from international card. So I had probably come back from Ukraine at the time, so that was the thing that was on my mind at the moment. That was the thing that was on my mind at that moment. फिर उसके बाद एनेस्थीसिया, क्यू बैंक, डू द डिशेस, वर्कआउट, मेल सब लिखा हुआ है, और ये है 29 अप्रैल 2022. तो थोड़ी कंसिस्टेंसी थी. फिर 30 अप्रैल पे हम गए, वहाँ पे हमने साइकाइट्री से शुरू किया सबसे पहले. फिर अप्रैल के बाद डायरेक्टली हम मई पे आ गए, एंड मई में भी हम थोड़े कंसिस्टेंट थे. लेकिन फिर ईद थी, तो ईद के दिन तो हमने कुछ नहीं किया. एंड 4th May, just post Eid, I have written lowest day, couldn't do a thing. I mean, of course. ईद के बाद मतलब ऐसे काम करने का मन थोड़ी करता है. Yeah, staying true to what I feel. And yeah, उसके बाद भी हम लोग काफ़ी consistent थे. फिर 7 मई के बाद में हम लोग आ जाते हैं 9th मई पे, और 9th मई के बाद directly I have 13th of July. Can you see that? और यहाँ पे handwriting कितनी प्यारी निकाली है मैंने. आहा, मजा आ गया. And then PSM was a big thing for me at the time to conquer. So like I have written all the chapter names over here, and this and that, like this obstetrics and gynecology. ये तो complete भी नहीं किया है. Like, so then there's surgery, there's hernia. सर्जरी का ही hernia topic है, sorry. And और क्या है, काफ़ी कुछ चल रहा है. तो हाँ, oh, there's a juicy one. Conning, you need to work for yourself. You have to make it happen. You've got this, okay? Just believe in yourself and keep moving forward. But stop watching TBBT and watch more notes and complete MCQ targets, okay? Do it for yourself. Oh my god, that is so sweet. Yeah, at the time I used to watch Big Bang Theory a lot. A lot से मेरा मतलब है a lot. Like it was my comfort show, और comfort show को मैंने abuse करा था to a point. मैं इतना देखती थी. I used to sleep to it क्योंकि मेरे को नींद नहीं आती थी वैसे तो. Yeah, so like little notes for myself are also in this diary. And again then we are doing MCQs and stuff. So yeah, there was this one thing that I used to do कि मैं हमेशा to do list तो बना लेती थी. And normally like what you do is you make a to do list as per your priorities, and फिर उसको वही priorities के हिसाब से आप time block करते हो, या फिर आप एक schedule बना लेते हो. लेकिन that never worked for me because it felt like it was very restraining, not in a good way. So what I did was कि अगर मेरा कोई काम मैंने लिखा है to do list पे, तो उसको कितना time लगना है मैं उसके आगे वो time लिख देती थी. So that used to give me like a rough idea कि like a rough estimate कि मुझे इतने time से ज़्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए, and then I used to have some buffer time around it. So yeah, sometimes time blocking was helpful, sometimes you know not time blocking was also helpful. Whatever works. Oh my god, I was manifesting a graduation with my then boyfriend as well. Oh boy. Well, I did have a graduation, but not in the country, not like in Ukraine, so I did not attend it. But yeah, whatever. And then you know now we are in August, okay? 28th August 2022. हम जुलाई से अगस्त आ गए हैं, और अब एक बहुत प्यारी लाइन आती है. I'll just read it to you. I will give FMG December 2022. I will pass FMG December 2022 with best scores. I will get internship ASAP afterwards. I will learn. I am loved. I learn. I gain knowledge. I have knowledge of all 19 subjects. I am a past candidate of FMG December 2022. My university and I comply with all rules of NMC and we have no problems whatsoever. My people love me and respect me and my efforts. I just got my internship done and I have accomplished a lot in all fields, more than I thought. So this is all that I have written here, and ये probably होगा somewhat in August 2022, even before I gave my exam. So basically like words of affirmation या manifestation कुछ भी बोल लो इस चीज़ को, मैंने ये चीज़ यहाँ करी थी. इसमें जो ये line है कि my university and I comply with all rules of NMC and we have no problems whatsoever is a very, you know, it took me, I have written it with a lot of love and intention and, you know, the kind of motivation that I needed to write this. I used to just cry thinking about कि what if मेरी डिग्री नहीं आती है, क्या कैसे होगा, will I even be eligible to give the exam वगैरह वगैरह. So it was very hard to get through that. Now we're in September by the way, and September में भी हम बहुत प्यारी handwriting में चीज़ें लिखे जा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे हमने ऑप्था के topics लिखे हुए हैं. There is a nice note that I've written to myself. Dear Conin, please invest time in your education and preparation. Please love. Tomorrow I will wake up early, solve MCQs, watch and understand revision modules. Be happy. I love you, Conin. Oh my god, this is so cute. It sounds a little childish, but it is very cute. Okay, there's a very nice note over here. The only way you can get out of this is through it. Which is very true. Which is very true. Oh, there's a very nice thing written over here. It's from my book. Accept the truth. Believe that you have what it takes to accomplish the goals. Oh. Start every day with something sweet. Jaggery, honey, agave, etc. Do it with the intention that you will win all small goals, which will lead to big goals. Of course. I mean, that makes sense. Try and build a routine. Identify a favorable time, workstation, snacks, etc. Build your works. क्या क्या लिखा है मैंने, और फिर मैंने यहाँ पे ये लिखा है कि मैंने RR कैसे complete करा वगैरह वगैरह. Now I've started using different colors of pen. I've also started doing diagrams over here. Mock test number 3, I got 185 on 300. Oh. Yeah, I also used to do this. So this might look like a very sad representation, but yeah, at the time I was also struggling, तो बनता था. So yeah, like every time I did MCQs, एक MCQ important होता था मेरे लिए, और मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा struggle होता था कि मैं MCQs लूँ, because I had this fear of failure, this fear of not performing at par with what I have set an image of myself. But you know, to even match the image that I had of myself, मुझे वो test दे के ही prove करना पड़ेगा ना अपने आप को, test से भाग के तो नहीं होगा. So that was a mindset shift that helped me take test, something like which was very difficult for me. So ये चीज़ हो गई. फिर मैंने एक करके मैं ऐसे करती थी, सारे के सारे MCQs को टैली की तरह लगाती थी और दिन में 400-500 MCQs करने की कोशिश करती थी. कभी 200 होते थे, कभी 100 होते थे, कभी 500 भी हो जाते थे. या ऐसे करके मैंने अपने सारे MCQs खत्म करे थे. तो आगे के साइड तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी कि भाई जो सिर्फ टू डू लिस्ट. और अब हम नवंबर में हैं. Now we've also reached December. Now we're going to go the back side of this book. Very important. Are a few pages here where I've scribbled something and it's very personal to me. And yeah, like I was just too stressed. But okay, it's gonna be okay. And then there are some gratitude notes, thank you notes for my parents, for my then boyfriend, for my then best friends rather. Lol. Okay, there's also a nice thank you to my IG fam. So I'll just read this out to you. Thank you my IG fam for always sending me heartfelt DMs, messages without even expecting a reply. Thank you for sharing, liking and commenting and acknowledging my efforts. Thank you for believing in me and my vision, and thank you for giving me my side hustle, my dream job. And then there's a thank you note for myself. Thank you, Conin, for trying every day to wake up early and facing your fears of giving tests. It's not been easy for you. Thank you for pushing yourself harder every year, every day, with every workout, every study session. Thank you for trying an experiment. Okay, I'm gonna cry. Okay. we're good. Thank you for trying and experimenting different things and being open to change. Thank you for helping me adjust to difficult times, challenges. Thank you for being okay with not seeing a therapist, but we'll do it in 2023 for sure, which I did. Thank you for doing so many MCQs and revision. I know you will top this exam. I feel it in my gut. No, I did not top it. You give your mocks. I don't know what have I written. It's stay calm. I know you will make magic happen. Thank you, Conan, for accepting my flaws, my acne prone skin. Thank you for also working out. Thank you for taking that Goa trip. I know you had so much fun. Thank you, Conan, for not quitting medicine and making it to being a doctor. Oh my god. Thank you, Conan, for not quitting on life and for trying every day to find meaning, purpose, and chasing your passion. Thank you for trying and giving your best. Thank you for getting enough sleep and for eating in a balanced way. Thank you for loving me so much. Thank you, Conan. XOXO. Okay. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. So here were also like goals for 2023. Health, glowing porcelain skin, fitter body, get back those abs, healthy hair and body positivity. There are some financial goals, there are some academic goals, there are some Instagram goals, there are some YouTube goals which we're working on right now. And there are some more goals. Pass FMG with flying colors plus create content side by side and earn money. Save that money to buy lab coat, Littmann stethoscope. Okay, we have that Littmann stethoscope right here. Suture kit, a bag and some kurtis and jutis for internship. So while preparing for the exam, there was this thing which used to bother me a lot. Like I used to have a lot of ideas and my brain used to come up with great ideas at the most bizarre times. That's when I use this book, like the backside of this book, to just park all my ideas. So basically this technique is called parking lot. It's a parking lot for your brain. Whatever idea has just popped in while you're doing some focused activity, instead of paying attention to that, you just note it down in a small book and attend to it later whenever you have designated time slot for it. This way you know that you will never lose that thought or idea, and also you're not losing the flow that you are in at the moment of getting a certain work done, because it takes a lot of mental energy to get to a point where you are in a flow and you're getting something done. So yeah, and there's a note for the trolls as well, to all the trolls in my head and the anonymous, faceless, heartless creatures on the internet. Thank you for making fun of me when I was stuck in war. Thank you for making fun of my videos when I was exploring my personality. Thank you for making fun of my overbite, acne prone skin and chubby cheeks. I am grateful for you as well, but I'm also sorry for you because today I am Dr. Conan Baig and you will still be faceless, heartless internet trolls. God forbid if something happens to you, you might see this same face trying to save you. Oh my god, this girl is too cute. No. There are a lot of things in here. Okay, there's this good thought right here. I have put in hours and just put myself in rooms that make me nervous. I don't know what that means. Even at your worst, you at least have to be a little bit prepared. Yeah, that's true. Sense of belonging is something you can't expect to get from other people. You can never predict when you can create a conversation. Okay. Artists are imperfect and deserve the freedom to be imperfect. Oh, this makes me, yeah, like I have put in hours and just put myself in rooms that make me nervous. Like, I've prepared myself and put myself in like uncomfortable situations. It needs something on that line. This is my favorite. You have to first suck at it to later crush it. You have to go through the storm. You have to go through the storm to see the rainbow. I know all of this sounds so mainstream, so basic, and we all have this urge to either do it or resist it. That's where you decide who you want to be. Look at this. Just look at this. This is crazy, dude. There are so many things that are not checked in this book. As much as I show you the things that I have tick marked, there are a lot of things which are blank. But that did not stop me, and that should not stop you from trying. Yeah, I mean, you're going to fail quite a few times, and things are going to be blank and nahi hoga tumse. But you need to realize when you must engage and when you must disengage from people, places, situations, and relationships. Okay, that's pearl right there. that was it. I was about to cry at least 40 times in this video. Kindly excuse me for that. And Mr. Billu is still sleeping. Cutie little Babu is still sleeping. And I will see you in the next one. Lots of love.